Hello once again, and greetings from Japan. Today we have a 2005 December Toyota-Alphard. It's the ANH 10 2.4 liter petrol, and it's in the hard to find dark blue color. They didn't make so many in this color. Actually, blue in Japan is not, or wasn't at least, a very popular color for cars, thankfully, because it is in other places. So anyway, it's a nice clean car. It's a grade 4B, auction grade 4B, with a standard 17-inch alloys with reasonably good tires, and it's got dealer option winker mirrors. And as you can see, the car in the usual places is nice and clean along the edges, and on the, these are typical of the car, on the bumper corners. Standard muffler. As mentioned, it's a 2.4 liter engine, privacy glass, rear spoiler, nice clean body. And yeah, it's just a nice example. It's got the front fog lights. It's got the HID AFS headlights. Good, clean, shiny chrome grille. And it's a very nice car. It has sunroofs and doors as well, of course. And it's presently locked. It comes with a full set of keys, 2 remote keys, 2 smart entry fobs, and a spare key. So it's a complete set of keys, which is nice. And we'll just unlock it, and we'll just demonstrate the sliding doors. They work perfectly, no problem with them. Before I close this one, we'll just take a quick look inside. Got full black cloth interior in very clean condition. This is a non-smoking car. It hasn't been smoked in as far as we can see. There's no evidence of smoke at all. And in the very back, there's your back seats. Of course, these seats, the back seats, fold up into the walls. And the front seats, if you want, can reverse and face the back, which can be convenient for some situations. And just close the door. Oh, sorry, I hit the wrong button. Tried locking it, didn't like that. Okay. So the car should be unlocked. It's also got smart entry as well, which can be convenient if you've got your hands full or the keys are in your pocket. Okay, so here's the front. There again, very clean driver's seat. No damage to the seat at all or serious wear. Driver carpet, a little bit worn around the brake pedal. Probably a little bit of a heavier owner. And okay, and then we've got the door card. Nice clean door card. Before we get inside, we can see the ceiling. It's got the sunroofs, it's got the twin sunroofs. Nice clean ceiling all around, in perfect condition, which is important on an Alphard. So I don't know if that's focusing. Okay, put the keys inside. Okay, shut the door. Oops, steering wheel's not straight. So, here we go. Going to start the engine up. 94,000 kilometers. I think that's the equivalent of 58,000 miles. It's 58,000 miles. Okay, I'm going to start the engine. Okay, there we go. Okay, and just to show, there's the buttons for opening the back doors on the driver's seat. You can turn the AFS lights off if you want to. It's a non-smoking car, as you can see. There's been no evidence of smoking, as far as I can see. Yeah, absolutely none, which is always nice. The sunroof control is in the center here. So if we push this button, the rear sunroof opens. It of course has a sunshade on it, and you can have it with the shade back and just have the glass roof, which is rather nice. And then it has another one on the front, which also opens up and closes. And it has the flip-down monitor in the back. And also it comes with the control for the rear audio, which is important. So that will be sent with the paperwork and any other peripherals from the car. Rear cup holder, which is in perfect condition, and the front cup holder is fine, and it's got rear camera, and if we put it into drive, you've got front cameras as well. All very nice and clear. And it also has a very nice sound system, theater sound, which certainly enhances the quality of the audio, which is very nice. It has the CD is functioning properly. It's got HDD, and I believe it has Bluetooth as well on this car. And it's got, of course, the usual features: front airbags, ABS, and because it has front cameras, it also has lane control. So you can turn it off if you don't like it, but lane control is a feature that when you're on a motorway, a multi-laned road, it warns you if you drift. It gives you a beep, 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 which is useful. And it's a useful feature, I think, personally. Everything works. The windows all work. They're all, as in Toyotas, they're all automatic, even the back ones. They all work fine. So, what else is there about the car? The steering wheel is very clean in the usual spots where you can get wear on a car, especially a car that's done 50,000 miles. But this one is a reflection of the condition of the interior. It's just really nice. Just really, really nice. I think that's about all for the interior. So let's take a look at the engine bay before I forget it. Again, just very clean. just just an example of a well-maintained car, a properly well-maintained car. What else is there to say? I think that's about it, except to describe the auction sheet. And here we have the auction sheet. It was from a CAA auction, which we like the CAA auctions and the TA auctions in particular. It's an AS model, again, 2005 December, Alphard AS, NH10 2.4, grade 4. The interior gets a C, but we can find very little wrong with it. It could be a B, and the interior is definitely a B. It's the best grade you'll get on a car of this age, basically. Occasionally you'll get a 4BB, which is very nice. 94,000 kilometers or 58,000 miles. The color code is 8K8, which is the dark metallic blue. And the description is it has the maker navi, has a flip-down rear monitor, has dual-powered doors. ETC stands, it's the electronic toll collection system used in Japan, which is obviously of little value once it's exported. And it has a back monitor. It has HID lights, and it has a front camera as well. And here it just mentions that the steering wheel's a little bit worn, but as you can see from the video, hardly worth mentioning. The interior a little bit worn. It also mentions, the final point it mentions is engine oil, but we will include some photographs. Sorry, a little bit hard to get under the car with the camera, but it's completely dry. I mean, we cannot find any evidence of it. So it's sometimes the auctions, the good auctions at least, can be quite picky. Some auctions are not so picky. Anyway, just a proper grade 4B car. Very nice. Just a nice example. Glove box is perfect. Both glove boxes with the manuals here. All the manuals in Japanese, mind you, but still. Okay. Anyway, we think the car is 100% worthwhile exporting. It has a lot of life left in it, many years of life left in it, and we hope it finds a satisfied, happy customer. Anyway, bye for now. Thank you.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fit for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record. Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.